Hello friends, I found an amazing app so sharing with you guys. This is Vidlike. I was using Vidlike for many days, but here, I just explain its recently added core features. In Vidlike application, you can customize your photos and videos in seconds. Here as you can see there is a number of preloaded videos as well. Now tap on Magical, then select your desired video, click Customize My Image. Choose your picture from your smartphone gallery, then crop it section. Next, moreover, you can change your desired background music from here and save. Here it has amazing feature, paste and download. Then to use the reverse video feature, go to My Creations, select your desired video. Here you can share directly in social media. Now select this reverse video icon. Crop the video. Change the music here if you need it. Click on the reverse. It's done, so simple.